Hello everybody. This is what we got. This is Oklahoma. Probably got about 5 inches of snow. Sebastian, he's not afraid of the snow. Are you? The 3 little dogs? They are. Yeah, anyway. It does snow here in Oklahoma. Probably, I'm going to say 4 inches of snow. I don't know if you can tell, but the wind is whipping. Wind chills are about -3 or 4. It's supposed to be like this tomorrow, even colder. Wonderful Frito-Lay in Oklahoma City. They said don't come to work today. It's unsafe. Dawn went to work. She just works up that way, about a mile away. Just a little video to show you that here in Oklahoma, there's a Blackstone. Oh, I didn't strap that. Dang it. We get snow. And we hate it. I know I hate it. Hey, comment. Tell me what the weather is like in your neck of the woods. Hopefully I'll have a chance to do a video this weekend.